Affiliate marketing is a wonderful way to make money in all kinds of niches, and I'm going to give you this book free. Something affiliate marketers often overlook is passive promotion. The kind where you set it and forget it, leaving those great affiliate commissions to keep rolling in. Here's some of what you're going to get. How to spot an offer that practically sells itself. The page you simply cannot live without if you want to be a successful passive affiliate. The single most important thing that an offer needs to have. Plus the highly profitable page you probably never even thought of. And there's more. The most important page of all, you'll never guess this one, and the social platform I use for passive promotions that is absolutely free. You get to set up your passive affiliate promotions using all the knowledge you have gained in this free course. It's free. Click the link below. And be sure to subscribe, like, get notified on my YouTube channel. Pick up your free book at the link below. Be sure to click the link below. Thank you.